There is not enough space from underneath. I want to open the filler cup of the diff, so I need to access it from the side. Jesus. I know that 16 Newton meter, 60 Newton meter needs to be tight, but that was tight. Ooh. Now we can drain the diff out if the top is open. Is smelly, is black, is everything. Not much in it, but would be good if I could lift up the rear wheels as well, so it's gonna drain a bit more, but it's all right for now. Yeah, and if you do it, usually you should change the sumps as well at the same time when you do the oil, because you got like a little rubber there just to prevent from leaking. Yeah, it was dirty. Okay, I'm gonna try to lower the car a bit. Let's see if I can get more oil out. I'm gonna just leave it for a couple of minutes, so it's gonna drain as much as possible from there. So how I'm gonna fill it up, you can use many things, but I'm gonna try to use this one. I got like a electric pump as well, you know, you can put it in the oil and the other side of the cable into the filling cup, and it just fills it up. But because everything is dismounted from here, I can just put this into the hole and hopefully it's gonna go straight in. If not, then I'm gonna use a pump. You can use like handily, like a gun, and you can just push the oil in. That's what usually other people use when they're doing it from the underneath, because there's no point to remove all these, but while I'm here, I'm just doing it. Why not? Yes, that should be okay. Just gonna clean the surface now, but then I'm gonna clean the rest as well. Yep. Let's just put the sump back in. Just like that. Should be 60 Newton meter torque. Look at that. That was ready for a change. It's burned a bit too much. Now we can fill it up. So as I said, when I will fill it up, I'm gonna just fill it until it's not dripping out from the same hole, and that should be the level of, that should show you that it's full. I mean, how it should be. Let's just put this back in to prevent from any drops on the floor. Let's see if I was right with this filling method. Maybe this way. It's better. Shit.
Nope.
Yeah, it's going. Hop, is leaking. Which means,
It's going.
haha. Yeah, he's full. Now, quickly, I'm gonna put the ball back. Jesus Christ. Again, 60 Newton meter. That's it. Hold on. You can actually see the fresh oil was dripping in, but that's the old one. Yeah, it's burned. Ooh. Now we have a new and fresh oil in the diff. And the new drive shaft and the new seal is fitted. Okay, this one gonna go back to the bottle. Back into the bottle, sorry. And now let's do a quick oil service as well. At the same time, I'm really curious about the filters inside, like the oil filter and the engine filter. I never find anything. Jesus Christ. Okay, let's just put a towel in there. Right. Now let's see if there is any metal pieces. Wow, that's all oil. No metal shaves. Yeah. The filter is, God knows, 20,000 maybe? 20,000 miles? At least, I guess. But it's no metal shaves. But look how old is the oil. Wow. It's no metal shaves. Okay. That's going into the bin. Can you give me bigger size, like 17?
You don't have the 17 here.
No 17 there.
No, I have 18.
17 is there. Give me the torque wrench. The torque wrench, yeah, as it is. It's here. Yep.
Sikerült. Megy nekünk? Ja, van.
Here we are. The oil is drained now. Was kind of 7 liters in it, maybe more or less, because I think they was filling it up. We got the engine filter, and then we're gonna take the pollen filters out. I'm not really happy of this one. Look at that. Look at that. And look at this. When this was serviced last time. And now is coming the question. Oh, my turbo is dead. Really? Look at that. I think this one is the original BMW one. MAN filter made in Germany. I'm not too sure if BMW uses this, but excuse me, sir, I need a new turbo. Brilliant. Yes. Woohoo! Let's get the oil filter back in. That's done. And the new seal as well. Yep, that's right. I just want to put a little bit of oil around the seal. From yeah. A little bit of oil around it. And let's go back in. That's it. Is he on the sign? Yeah. Yeah. Okay, let's get the cabin filters out. Just a bit black. Wow. Breathe the nice fresh air in. Amazing. Let's get the 2 new ones. Ha! Actually, it was quicker than I thought. Okay, we got the dipstick. Such a good thing. I don't know why the newer cars, they just, there's no more dipstick in them. It just, I love it, to be honest. Dipstick is a good thing. Come on. Yeah, that's fine. right? We can put the rest of the intake pipes in. That's all.
In the dark you whisper secrets sweet and cold. Every word a shadow, every touch a lie untold. You kiss a deadly charm, I should have seen it coming.
There is 2 bolts holding it. I always lose a bolt, always. Now where it is.
But I was lost in the spell of your dangerous humming. I thought your love was gold, but it turned to rust. A heart made of poison, a heart I couldn't trust. Poison lips, your beautiful disguise. Every kiss a torment, every touch a cruel surprise. Poison lips, wrapped in silk and sin. I'm falling deeper with every breath you bring.
All right, that's done. Filter done, oil filter done, sump is in. Oil time! And what kind of oil is gonna be? My favorite one. Liqui Moly. 7 liters.
In the dark you whisper secrets sweet and cold. Every word a shadow, every touch a lie untold. You kiss a deadly charm, I should have seen it coming. But I was lost in the spell.
Right, okay. Let me check the dipstick quickly. Anyway, we still need 2 liters.
Oops. Show something. Ah, yeah.
Yeah, it's between the middle now. You
Mhm.
see? And nice and clean oil. Yeah. Okay, what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna put another liter in. Also. And then when I'm gonna release the car on the wheels, because it's on jack now, you know? It's back that way. So then we can measure it again. I'm not gonna start the engine till then anyways. So what we got here? So that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, yeah? So till there. Yeah. I will just stop here. And then when I'm gonna put it down on wheels, I'm gonna check the level again. And we're gonna put more if needed. Right, here we are. A nice and steady full service is done on my M50d. over back. Right. So now, next step, I'm gonna continue with my shock absorber because I have to change that as well. Let's just fit this in and then to connect everything back together. Mhm. This is right here. Also, meanwhile, I was waiting for the parts. This one has arrived because I don't know if you have seen, but this plug here was broken and the power steering wasn't working, which is that cable. So I just replaced it. It's like a electric converter module or something like that. And I just replaced it now. Basically the steering rack and all this, I was thinking it's faulty, but I just replaced this one and now it's just working, the whole steering. There is all sorts of error codes, like, because everything is broken from here, like ABS sensor, the brake cable, the brake sensor, all. I got all set of new, and that's what codes I have now. At the front, we replaced all the cables and everything. And guess what? What else I found out? I think I mentioned earlier, that's the crash sensor. And how true it is, you always learn something. Every day you learn something. That one is the temperature sensor, because I jumped in, I basically just put the ignition on and I saw minus 40 degrees. I'm like, hey, we are not in Russia, come on. And then we just repaired the cables and everything, and then I started the ignition again and they said -2. Makes sense, because we was working with this and then I just realized that's the temperature sensor. Yeah, we are humans, we make mistakes. Let's get. Huh? Right. Okay. Just like that. Let's put the rest of the screws back in. I got to take this filter out again because I don't have access to the actual bolt. Let's just put it in there because one is right here under the filter. This one. And then I have to put this one back in place. Excuse me. Yep. Yeah. Just like that. So I can have access to the other one. Yep. And I think it's a 13mm one. Yep. Jesus. I'm gonna check it again when everything back together, if it needs tightening or not. Okay, then drive shaft will go in back in place. Yep. But first we got to connect this one Yeah. Now I'm just wondering which bolt it was. Because I will have that will come in here. That long one in there. Was actually that long? Yeah, it was. Right. Right. Now, drive shaft back in place. One. And we will have this one as well. Like this. Right. I'm gonna just try to lift it a bit. So this one can connect in. Yeah. I just need the bolt. Right. Okay, this long one. Right, that's fine. Now I need to try to push this one somehow. Mm. Mhm. That's it. It's in. Okay. I bought some new screws from new bolts actually. I bought some new bolts from BMW because of course I snubbed the other one. Right. Okay. What size is that? I'm gonna snap it again in a second. Okay. We got that bolt through there. The arms as well. I just can't remember now which one. That's it. We got the track rod, but first I'm gonna put the ABS sensor. Can you just pass it to me, that black one there? Yeah. First I'm gonna put the ABS sensor in. Amazing. Point to wearing gloves. Right.
Which needs to go in there. Does it? Yes.
No need to tie too much because you're gonna break it because it's just plastic, right? Still this one, right? $21. That's it. Let's connect the track rod. Still brand new. That's it.